Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix TikTok loading problem fixed. Follow this step, don't skip videos, solve your problem. First of all, open the Play Store and search TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated. If not updated, first of all, update your TikTok app. Then go back. Now tap on settings and check that you have on activate internet connection. Tap on connection. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi name. Tap on forget and connect again. After this, go back and scroll down, type on mobile apps and search TikTok app. Now tap on storage and click clear cache and click on clear data. Then go back and scroll down. Now after, check the mobile phone software update. If not update, first of all update your mobile phone software and go back. Now tap on mobile phone about, tap on reset. Now tap on network settings and tap on reset settings and go back. After this, restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.